In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in QuickBooks Online. Adding your bank account is the quickest way to bring your transactions into QuickBooks so you can track spending, reconcile with confidence, and keep your books up to date. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and head to the banking area. Depending on your view, you might see it labeled as Transactions, then Banking. Once you're there, look for the Link Account button. This is where you'll connect your financial institution to QuickBooks. In the search bar, start typing the name of your bank. Use the exact name shown on your bank's website, and if you see multiple options, for example, personal versus business banking, pick the one that matches where you sign in. Click your bank from the list to continue. Next, you'll sign into your bank securely through the QuickBooks connection screen. This is a bank-grade, encrypted flow handled directly with your financial institution. Take your time to complete the sign-in process, and if your bank uses verification codes or security questions, follow the prompts to confirm your identity. After you're signed in, you'll see a list of accounts available to connect, such as checking, savings, or credit card. Select the specific accounts you want to bring into QuickBooks. You can connect more than one, and you can always return later to add additional accounts if needed. QuickBooks will then ask you to map each bank account to an account in your chart of accounts. Choose the correct QuickBooks account type, bank for checking or savings, and credit card for credit cards, or create a new account if you don't already have one set up. Use clear names like operating checking or business visa, so it's easy to identify them later. Getting this mapping right ensures your reports and reconciliations are accurate. When everything looks good, click Connect. QuickBooks will begin importing your recent transactions automatically. The number of days imported depends on your bank, often up to 90 days. Once the import completes, you'll see your transactions in the For Review tab, where you can categorize them to the right accounts and add payees or memos for clarity. This setup makes monthly reconciliation smoother and gives you real-time insight into cash flow. That's it. Your bank account is now connected and ready to keep your books organized. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.